quite relaxing. I feel like it could like rock me to sleep. This is so much fun.
I love it.
Hi, I'm Hannah.
And I'm Myron.
We've been living full-time in our self-built camper van for the last year and a half. Today we pick right back up where the last video ended, in the Lofoten Islands. Before we explore the land, we decide to do a little exploring by sea and go on a kayaking trip. The day starts with us frantically searching for our tour group. We then catch a boat from the island we're on out to a smaller island. Let's just say it was a little rough that day. This is what happens on roller coasters. Myron giggles hysterically and I go completely silent. We were immediately charmed by Skrova Island. After some safety briefings and dry runs, we popped our kayaks into the water and hopped in. It was a little wobbly and unnerving at first, but easier than I thought it'd be. This is quite relaxing. I feel like it could like rock me to sleep. And the life jacket's like a pillow. It's just like, good night. So much fun.
So awesome. See like the cliff from all the islands, fjords.
It's beautiful.
The water's crystal clear. You can see right through to the white sand.
It's amazing, eh?
So we just pulled up at this lovely beach and we're gonna have some lunch. Look at the white sands. The turquoise water behind me. It's so nice here.
I feel like we're quite good at this kayaking thing.
Yeah, it's not too hard.
We got it?
Yeah. Left stroke, right stroke, left stroke, right stroke.
You're like saying the wrong left and right.
But do that and stay afloat and yeah.
Look how stunningly clear this water is. It's insane. That's the island. Don't bat the boat. So clear. This has been such a cool day. Like, oh, this is so much fun. I was a little bit scared to do some kayaking, but it hasn't been too scary. I felt really safe the whole time. Have you had fun, Myron? It is it. Got back to shore.
Got back to shore and about to jump out. Awesome. Hands are a bit soft from holding on to
Yeah,
the
me
bar,
too.
fishing and pulling.
My arms and legs aren't too bad, just my hands.
Yeah.
It turned out our lovely guide was a van lifer herself. When she's not working on the island, she travels in her tiny home on wheels.
I mean, I've just been out, so it's a bit messy.
Oh, you got doors both sides.
Oh, that's
Oh
cool.
yeah.
That's
Oh
good.
yeah. This is my heater.
Oh my goodness.
I've been into this -6 and it was freezing. And I normally have my dog with me. So I can't put the heater on the ground, right? So I went to 7 shops to find this. Look at that. It's perfect.
That's clever.
Yeah. It really is quite useless. It does absolutely nothing. But for those very chilly, like 10 minutes, it's working a treat. This is my mobile art display, so depending on what I'm inspired by, I can Velcro it off and I love pineapple. Made this myself. I love it. You guys, first kayak in a van.
So we just got back onto mainland?
Yeah, it's not really mainland though, it's still an island.
Oh yeah, it is still an island.
Back onto the bigger island than the little island we've been on.
Yeah. That was awesome.
Oh, such a good
Kayaking around
day.
the place, yeah.
It's so much fun.
Water was so clear,
Like-
so nice, the sun was out.
I just wanted to go swimming. It was
It was the
freezing and
perfect
we
day.
didn't have our dogs with us, but like, I just wanted to go swimming.
Yeah. Probably would have been a bit cold in
Yeah,
there,
it
but
definitely would.
it looked like you could swim really
Yeah.
nice. Yeah. So now we're gonna go have a warm shower, have a hot chocolate,
Yeah,
and
change into some dry clothes. So we just got to this little rest stop. I think I'm sunburned. We are just gonna chill out for a bit. We are gonna lie down, and I think Marian's got some chips and dip for us. And we're just gonna chill before we figure out what we're doing this week. Look at those eyebrows.
So we've chilled out here for probably about an hour, and now we're gonna drive somewhere really awesome.
Excited to see it. Okay, so we just got to this awesome spot. You might be able to tell what it is from behind me. And if you're familiar with the Lofoten Islands, you might know what it is.
So I've come out here to see if I can do a pull-up on this bar.
That's not what we came here for. We came here for this. My inappropriate footwear.
Yeah.
My shoes.
Jandals.
My shoes were wet from the kayak, so I'm wearing jandals.
Look at this weird rock formation. The lines in it, so weird. Their van has an amazing park up spot over there. What a view.
So let's go find somewhere to park up for the night. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.